Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Trading with Nimve. Today we're going to be talking about available currency pairs, metals, indexes, and cryptocurrencies on the MT4 platform and placing our first orders to make a profit. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. First, we will explore the main features of MT4 platform. Market Watch window is a tool commonly used in trading platforms that displays real-time quotes for various financial instruments, such as currency pairs, indexes, and cryptocurrencies. It is a table that lists the different trading instruments, along with their current bid and asks prices, as well as other information such as the day's high and low prices, and the percentage change in price since the previous day. Using the Market Watch window, traders can quickly scan through the different financial instruments they are interested in and monitor their prices in real time. They can also add new instruments to the Market Watch list and remove ones they are no longer interested in. For example, if a Forex trader is interested in trading the EUR/USD currency pair, they would add it to their Market Watch list and monitor its bid and ask prices to decide when to buy or sell. Similarly, a cryptocurrency trader might use the Market Watch window to keep an eye on the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies. Let's now look at the charts in MT4 platform. Chart windows in MetaTrader 4 are a key feature of the platform that allow traders to analyze and monitor the price movements of financial instruments over time. When you open a chart window in MT4, you will see a graph that shows the price of the selected instrument plotted over a specific time period, which can range from a few minutes to several years, depending on your preference. MT4 chart windows offer a range of customization options that allow traders to tailor their charts to their individual trading styles and strategies. Here are some of the key features of MT4 chart windows. MT4 allows traders to choose from a wide range of timeframes, from 1 minute to 1 month, as well as custom timeframes. This flexibility allows traders to view price action in the way that best suits their trading strategy. Timeframes are a key feature of the MT4 platform that allows traders to view price action over different periods of time. In MT4, traders can choose from a wide range of timeframes, from 1 minute to 1 month, as well as custom timeframes. Each candlestick or bar on a chart represents a specific time period, which can be determined by the selected timeframe. For example, if a trader selects a 5-minute timeframe, each candlestick or bar on the chart will represent 5 minutes of price action. If a trader selects a 1-hour timeframe, each candlestick or bar on the chart will represent 1 hour of price action. Different traders may prefer to use different timeframes based on their trading strategies and preferences. For example, day traders may prefer shorter timeframes, such as 1-minute or 5-minute charts, as they are more focused on short-term price movements. Swing traders may prefer longer timeframes, such as 4-hour or daily charts, as they are more interested in longer-term price trends. In summary, timeframes are a key feature of the MT4 platform that allow traders to view price action over different periods. By selecting different timeframes, traders can gain different insights into market trends and make more informed trading decisions based on their individual strategies and preferences. MT4 supports a range of chart types, including line, bar, and candlestick charts. Each chart type has its own unique features and advantages, and traders can switch between chart types to gain different insights into the market. Chart types are a key feature of the MT4 platform that allow traders to visualize price action in different ways. MT4 supports several different chart types, each with its own unique features and advantages. Here are the most commonly used chart types in MT4. Line charts are the simplest type of chart and show only the closing price of each time period, connected by a line, Line charts are useful for identifying long-term trends, but may not provide as much detail as other chart types. Bar charts display the opening, closing, high, and low prices of each time period as vertical bars. The top of the bar represents the high price, the bottom of the bar represents the low price, and the horizontal lines on either side represent the opening and closing prices. Bar charts are useful for identifying price trends and key support and resistance levels. Candlestick charts are similar to bar charts, but use different symbols to represent price movements. The body of each candlestick represents the opening and closing prices, while the wicks or shadows at the top and bottom represent the high and low prices. Candlestick charts are popular among traders because they provide more detail than bar charts and can be used to identify key market patterns, such as hammers and shooting stars. Overall, different traders may prefer different chart types based on their individual trading strategies and preferences. By using different chart types, traders can gain different insights into price action and make more informed trading decisions. MT4 comes with a large number of built-in technical indicators, such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and MACD, which traders can use to analyze price action and identify potential trading opportunities. In upcoming videos, I will be diving deeper into the technical indicators available in the MT4 platform. MT4 offers a wide range of technical indicators that can help traders analyze market trends, identify potential trading opportunities, and make more informed trading decisions. However, with so many indicators to choose from, it can be overwhelming for new traders. In future videos, I will explain more about technical indicators we are going to use in our trading strategies, including how they work, their strengths and weaknesses, and how to use them in your trading strategies. I will also provide real-world examples and case studies to demonstrate how these indicators can be applied to different markets and timeframes. So whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, these videos will be a valuable resource for understanding the technical indicators available in MT4 and how to use them effectively in your trading. MT4 also includes a range of drawing tools, such as trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, which traders can use to identify key levels of support and resistance on their charts. In future videos, I will explain deeply about the trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and key levels, as it is very important and useful. The MT4 platform allows users to customize the color scheme of the platform to suit their preferences. Open the platform and go to the Charts tab on the top toolbar. Click on Properties, or press F8 on your keyboard. In the Colors tab, you will see a list of elements that you can customize, such as background color, grid color, and chart colors. To change the color of an element, click on the color box next to the element and select a new color from the color palette that appears. Once you have customized the colors to your liking, click OK to save your changes. By changing the color scheme in MT4, you can create a more visually appealing and personalized trading environment. Additionally, using a color scheme that is easy on the eyes can reduce eye strain and fatigue, which is especially important for traders who spend long hours in front of the screen. A chart template in MT4 is a predefined set of chart settings that can be applied to a chart with a single click. It's a handy tool that allows you to quickly and easily change the appearance of a chart without having to manually adjust each individual setting. Creating a chart template is easy. First, customize the chart settings to your liking, including chart type, time frame, indicators, and other features. Once you're happy with your chart settings, right-click on the chart and select Template from the drop-down menu. Next, select Save Template and choose a name for your template. Click OK to save your template. To apply a saved template to a chart, simply right-click on the chart you want to apply the template to and select Template from the drop-down menu. Choose the name of the template you want to apply, and click OK to apply the template to the chart. Using chart templates can save you time and effort by allowing you to quickly apply your preferred chart settings to multiple charts. This is especially useful if you have a specific trading strategy that requires certain chart settings. Chart templates can also help you maintain consistency in your chart analysis, ensuring that you're using the same settings across all your charts. In addition to saving individual chart templates, you can also create a default template that will be automatically applied to all new charts. To do this, customize the settings on a chart, save it as a template, and then rename it to default.tpl. This ensures that all new charts you open in MT4 will have the same settings as your default template. In Forex trading, the lot size refers to the size of the position you are trading. It represents the amount of the currency pair that you are buying or selling. In MT4, the default lot size is 0.01 lots, which is also known as a microlot. However, you can adjust the lot size to suit your trading style and risk tolerance. Larger lot sizes can lead to greater potential profits, but they also carry a higher risk. This is because the larger the lot size, the larger the potential loss if the trade goes against you. Therefore, it's important to choose a lot size that is appropriate for your trading strategy and risk management plan. In addition to the standard lot size of 100,000 units, Forex brokers also offer mini lots, 10,000 units, and micro lots, 1,000 units, for traders with smaller account sizes or who want to trade with lower risk. Some brokers even offer nano lots, which are 100 units or less. When choosing a lot size, it's important to consider your account balance, the currency pair you are trading, and the leverage being offered by your broker. With higher leverage, smaller lot sizes can still generate significant profits, but they also increase the risk of losses. Overall, choosing the appropriate lot size is an important aspect of risk management in Forex trading. It's important to trade with a lot size that allows you to achieve your trading goals while also minimizing the risk of losses. I had initially planned to demonstrate the process of placing our first order in MT4 during this video, but upon reviewing the footage, I realized that the video would end up being too long. So instead, I'll be dedicating our next video to that topic, where I will walk you through the entire process step by step. We will start by placing our first order, and I'll show you how to set up stop loss and take profit parameters. This is an important step to ensure that you can limit your losses while maximizing your profits. And if you're interested in learning more advanced techniques, I'll also show you how to place multiple orders and how to use other features in MT4 to further enhance your trading strategy. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, Trading with Nimve, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until the next video, stay hopeful.